Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today we are going to do a quick comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 which we have with us with the Samsung Mega 5.8 device, which is another phablet which has been launched. And this is a dual SIM phone, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is a single SIM phone. This is the major difference. Again, this is a budget phablet and this is a premium phablet which is being offered from Samsung. It comes for a premium price of around 35 to 36,000 Indian rupees, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Mega 5.8 has been launched at a price of around 25,100 rupees as far as the MRP is concerned. And if we take a look over these devices in terms of the resolution which we see on Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is a 720p resolution, which is a high definition resolution, and you have a QHD resolution on Samsung Mega 5.3, as you can see. And if we take a look over these devices in terms of the resolution, it doesn't look much different in terms of the resolution is concerned. The Samsung Mega 5.8 is actually running the latest version of TouchWiz UI, which is inherited from Samsung Galaxy S4, and you have some latest applications as well which are there, whereas we do not have that as of now on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. In terms of the overall configuration, again, this device is fairly powerful as compared to this one, but Samsung Mega 5.8 has a 1.4 GHz dual core Snapdragon processor as well inside the device. If we talk about the RAM which we see on Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is 2 GB, whereas you have 1.5 GB of RAM on Samsung Galaxy Mega 5.8. In terms of look and feel, these devices look fairly similar from the front display. If we actually take a look on the side profile, we see that the Samsung Galaxy Mega 5.8 has a design which is again inherited from Samsung Galaxy S4. It is not that much curvy which we see on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. As you can see over here, it is much more curvy, whereas we have a kind of a flat design over here, and we see a little amount of curve over here at the back side. If we take a look over the back cover on these devices, this one is actually quite dirty as of now because we have been using it for months now. The quality of back cover is almost similar, although you have a texturized design on the back cover on the Samsung Mega 5.8, whereas you do not see any kind of texture design on the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Again, in terms of the camera, both of these devices has 8 megapixel camera. You have LED flash over here. The loudspeaker is over here on Mega 5.8, whereas the loudspeaker is over here on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. And again, the major difference in between these two devices is the S Pen. You get the S Pen on Samsung Galaxy Note 2, whereas you do not get the S Pen on Samsung Mega 5.8. Front display is pretty good. The viewing angles of these devices are pretty good, but again, they are much better on Samsung Galaxy Note 2, as you can see. But display kind of faded out when you view it from this angle on Mega 5.8. And if we actually talk about the version of Android which is running on Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is 4.1.2 as of now, whereas you have 4.2.2 on Samsung Mega 5.8. So in terms of the front profile, in terms of the front look and feel, both of these devices look fairly the same. You have the same proximity sensors, you have the 2 megapixel camera on both of these phones, you have the earpiece over here. At the bottom you see a similar kind of a design, but again you have a more wider base button as compared to the Note 2. Again, the bezel is almost similar in terms of thickness, as you can see over here as far as the display is concerned. And at the bottom you have the physical home buttons on both of these phones. So this is a quick comparison as of now in between both of these two devices. Do let us know if you have any specific doubts and questions on these two devices. You can like this video by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.